Let's get you more breaking updates on the story. We are also learning that the Congress has hit back at the SP and IP Singh because he, remember, had taken that personal jibe at Rahul Gandhi, and they say that he is absolutely no one to even comment on Rahul, further saying that Rahul right now is fulfilling the responsibility as the leader of the opposition.
IP सिंह समाजवादी पार्टी के सांसद है, वो कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी में वो क्षमता नहीं है और
लोगों के बारे में जो कहाँ चर्चा कर रही हैं, उसकी हैसियत
उम्र बचपन का और
उसकी हैसियत नहीं है। वो है कौन? उसकी हैसियत है राहुल गांधी के बारे में बोलने की? है कौन वो?
क्या लगता है ये लीडरशिप की बात कही जा रही है, इस पर
राहुल जी के नेतृत्व में मजबूती के साथ नेता प्रतिपक्ष के रूप में वो अपने भूमिका का निर्वहन कर रहे हैं.
So that is Congress's famous Imran Masood Niyamika, however people want to identify him with. But for him to say कि किसी की क्या औकात है कि वो राहुल गांधी पर इस तरह की बात बोल सकता है, isn't this a clear reflection of the arrogance of the Congress party?
Not just Imran Masood, but it is also Manikam Tagore who has responded in the same manner, as Manikam Tagore has called him a Kathputli, as he said that the top leadership of Samajwadi Party is standing with the Congress, as he has also reminded Mr. IP Singh that there is a complete alliance between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party, and he should remember that. And that is what even we can see in the statement which is being given by Imran Masood, as well as he said that he is no one to comment anything about Rahul Gandhi, as the manner in which this jibe has been taken by the Samajwadi Party leader Mr. IP Singh, that has clearly given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question about the unity of the India bloc parties, as that is the reason why we have seen that the BJP is also attacking the entire India bloc, that on one side they are not stand united when there is any protest which is going on at the parliament premises or any other issue which is being taken up by the Congress party. We can see that TMC and Samajwadi Party is completely boycotting it. On the other hand, it is their own leader who are now taking a jibe over Rahul Gandhi by questioning that whether he actually deserves to be the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha or not. As for that reason, we have seen that how a debate has already been started that who should be the face of the opposition, because the manner in which the Congress party has performed in the recently held assembly elections, whether it is Haryana or Maharashtra, that has clearly given a point of discussion to all the other India bloc parties that really the Congress party deserves to be at the front or not. And for that reason, even during the winter session of the parliament also, we have seen that how there was a lack of coordination between all of these parties. Even during the protest or any kind of statements which have come on the part of the opposition parties, they are clearly standing against the Congress, as on one side the Congress party is raising the matter which is related to demand and investigation regarding the charges which are being leveled against the Adani group. On the other side, there are several parties including Samajwadi Party or TMC who wants to raise those questions which are related to their own respective states. So clearly there is a rift which is widening amongst the India bloc parties, and that can clearly be seen throughout these statements which are coming in from various leaders of the opposition.